What's up everybody, welcome back to the channel. I got a couple things that I'm wanting to go do. I gotta go get some more pellets for my pit boss today. Also, I'm gonna get some weed killer for fence lines and stuff like that. Try to make it a little easier on us for all of the weed eating that the boys have been doing. I asked Jensen if he thought it was a good idea. He said, I think that's an amazing idea. So he's getting ready right now, but I'm also gonna show you guys another thing that I wanna do. The other day I bought a kind of a, well, first of all, let me tell you, I got this really sweet, and I'll be showing you more about it here in a little bit, but I got this really sweet compressor. It's really quiet. Look how quiet. Well, the battery, there's no battery in it. Basically, it's battery powered. It's a Milwaukee fuel system. And I'm going to be putting this on my truck. Actually, I'm going to get a box, and I think I'm going to be hunting for that when I go to Atwood's here in just a minute. I'm going to hunt for a box. It's like an 18 by 18 wide. Now that could also be turned vertical. So I'm going to look for a box that maybe I could mount on my truck. And I got this cool rollout wheel that I'm going to mount to the box on the outside. Basically to where if I want to pull this in and out, it could attach to that, and to where I can have an air compressor set up on my truck if I want to have one. You know, I don't have to keep it on there because this is wireless, so I don't have to have power. I just use the batteries for this. But I'm going to try to get it set up. I've had it for a while. It's just been sitting here, and I'm not liking this all setting right there on my desk as I come in. So I got a few things Milwaukee, you know, you can see. Got my little towers. I got my racks up there. Those are really sweet. You can hang your bins from there, and you know, these are another way. You can hang your tools up there on the rack, and they just slide off, and it makes everything really visible to where you can access it. But anyways, so that's kind of what's going to be going on in today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let's get it going. All right, so me and this guy Jensen, we're heading on down to the Atwoods. There's a couple things we're going to be looking for, I guess, but you never know. We end up with a few other extra things, I'm sure. Yeah. All right, so we're headed that way. Alright guys, so basically what we're getting these boys set up on is I'm going to buy another one of these type of attachments because it's just like the other one that I have, and we're going to get these interchangeable things here because the twine, you know, I'm thinking it might be a little bit easier for them to set them up, and I'm going to try these out first, but I think we'll be able to cut the twine to put it on there. So alright guys, so we picked this box here. It's on clearance, $50 off. Got like a 18-inch tall, but it's 35 inches wide. It might be a little too wide, but we're gonna try it out and see what we think. Now we just need the weed killer. We're about to get out of here. see what we got. Fast acting. We need something fast to happen, don't we?
Yeah, and then we could use like this to keep it like that.
Alright, I think let's try the yellow.
Alright.
Let's go for that. Just do one. Alright guys, so I think we got everything we needed. We spent a little bit of time in there. I don't know how long we were in there, but did collect quite a few things. We saw some folks from our channel, from our Texas Best channel in there, which was kind of cool, getting to meet people. And I think people don't really know how to react. Sometimes they see somebody they've been seeing on YouTube or something like that, but these were really nice folks, and I'm not really weirded out by it at all, and I don't mind stopping and talking. Guys, this is what I do. I talk for a living, pretty much. And so it's always good, refreshing, I think, to hear somebody's watching the channel, and that it's reaching in our local market. And because we have a lot of people from out of state that watch the channel as well, but it's great to meet you at the local Atwoods. Really nice couple, and they just moved from the St. Louis area back this way, so looking for land and wanting to build, which is really cool. All right, so we're headed back to the casa, try to get something else done. Got plenty of pellets for the pit boss, and we'll have to see what we want to cook, I guess, now.
Right.
I didn't go to the grocery store, but I got a lot of beef I could cook, but I had to get reloaded. Pretty much was out of pellets, so that's what it's all about.
We got 6 packages of pellets, like full 6 packages.
Yeah, because I don't like to go buy that stuff every time I want to cook, so I got a lot of divider pails for that I can keep it all out of the bags. I put it in storage containers, so I think having 2 bags of each is good. I know at least, I don't know, we'll see. Makes up to 106 gallons. Add 3 to 6 ounces, 12 tablespoons per gallon of water. All right, go grab that water hose for us. Let's, oh, I know how we can do it. Let's use some water. A cup right here will make 4 gallons of water. I need 15. 2 cups will make 8. Unless we go just a little hot. The last cup, another cup will make 12. So 3 cups will make 12. And then we'll pour the next one just a little shy, make 15. So say 3 3/4 of a cup. You got me? You got me? 3 3/4 of a cup. Okay.
Three. See, doesn't that kind of look like tea? But it looks bad.
You want to drink it?
No.
Don't recommend that. Now 3/4 on the next one.
Around like that. Never mind, that's a little too full.
No, that's good.
You can't be accurate with it.
Got the fence line sprayed down and some other stuff. But 15 gallons is a little shy for everything that I wanted to do, but it's okay. We'll come back and make another mix. But we got the majority of it. So they say within 12 hours it's supposed to be effective big time. So we'll see how effective this is. If we like it, we'll see what we missed and come back and do it again. These areas because
Rocks.
the rocks go flying. Just a few little birds here.
Woo woo! They're having a little sit on a couple of Cokes and a Dr. Pepper.
Look at all those chickens.
I got it set on 400 degrees for 75 minutes. Boom.
Okay.
Voila. Dr. Pepper chicken. All right, 45 minutes on. Looking good. There it is, boys. Just pulled the probes. I'll take these bad boys out and just put these guys on. This is Texas Longhorn burgers. And I just used some Holy Voodoo on that. I don't know if that was a good choice or not, but getting it on there.
Like this.
All right guys, so I wanted to go ahead and show you guys this setup. Basically, I added this toolbox on. Me and Brandon fastened it down the other day. It's a little muddy because we got rained on and stuff. But I want to show you, I got this reel mount. It's pretty cool. It's mounted on there. You can just turn that and open your reel, pull that out. I'm not gonna undo it right now, but then snap it back, lock it into place. You're good to go. All right, so then I got the storage here. You can see that got my battery down there. This is my fuel. Wanted you to hear kind of how good this thing works. There we go. I already have aired up my tires with it. I got a nice little gauge attachment for it, but yeah, my little side compartment air compressor setup. And the great thing about it is just attaches a hose to it, and like if my hose reel didn't reach, I could take this onto the job site wherever I needed to go, take it with me, and or to a strategic place that I needed to air something up. So it's pretty neat little setup. And I mean, I can pump up to 140. It shows 180 psi, but I don't know that I've ever seen it pump that much. But it's super quiet. I mean, you can't beat that for an air compressor. So I mean, it's lightweight and handy as all get out. So I thought that was really neat, so I wanted to show you guys. It's my little setup right there. So now I probably won't always have that compressor in there, because that's the convenient of it. I can just pop that out and put it in my shop or my garage. I don't have to have it in there all the time, but you know, just want to show you guys that we did do that. Also, the grass is really starting to die here where Jensen and I sprayed this the other day. So I missed a couple spots, but you can really see along the fence line starting to die. But we can come back and clean some of these spots up, and we're gonna be set. So, but I came back and packed a lot of this down with the skid steer. But yeah, you can see some of it's starting to die here along the fence line. It's not really super visible, but you can see over here. See everywhere I sprayed, and you can see the spots that I missed over there where the grass is coming up. So, but yeah, look, all this. It's awesome. A lot of extra parking here, and I could pull straight through with my truck or a trailer. So that gives us a lot more options when it comes to this long trailer here. When we're pulling in and out, we can come in and turn around. So that's what we were trying to accomplish. So hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Thanks for tuning in. Right now I'm doing some cooking, so I'm gonna get back to it, but hope you guys have a good day. I'm gonna sign off for now. Until next time, we'll catch you on Helm on the Range.